What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade that I took on USDCAD for 60 pips. Now, if we look into the past, we can see that we had this huge level of support right here. Every time price dips into it, it gets rejected. And then if we look at the whole picture, we can see that we have a very large double bottom right here. So I just simply marked up the neckline, which was in this area, and I waited for price to retest that neckline, which happens right here. And this is where I placed my trade. You can see this blue line labeled entry. That is where I entered my trade, and my take profit, as always when trading these reversal patterns, is where this pattern started. So right here, this was the only area really of consolidation until we create that first point. So this is why I chose this as my take profit. And you guys will hear me say this all the time. When it comes to these reversal patterns like head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, or double tops and double bottoms, I always place my take profit where the pattern began, because after the pattern is completed, I feel like it's just fair game in the market. Sometimes price will continue to rise up, like you see right here on USDCAD. You know, I could have caught almost double what I did with this trade if I would have just let it ride. But also there are times where price will hit that and then instantly reverse and go the opposite way. So I just like to get in and out of the market when I can, just collect my profits and be done with it. So if you guys have any questions over anything I talked about in this video, please just leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Facebook and Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.